Best electric screwdriver for PC. Building a computer requires precision, speed, and delicate handling so delicate components stay safe. I know how tedious turning dozens of tiny screws manually can get during a full rig build. Finding the best electric screwdriver for PC building changes everything by saving time and protecting your motherboard from accidental over-tightening. I reviewed top options that offer exact torque control for smooth assembly. Product number 1. Fantic E1 Max Precision Screwdriver. I find this model exceptionally suited for mounting delicate motherboard standoffs and securing fragile M.2 solid-state drives. The dual torque settings give complete authority over low torque requirements, preventing stripped threads or cracked circuit boards. High torque mode handles power supply mounting and case fan installation with ease. An integrated LED ring light illuminates shadowy corners inside dark computer chassis, ensuring clear sight lines while working on intricate headers. The ergonomic body feels comfortable in hand during lengthy assembly sessions, minimizing wrist strain. USB-C fast charging keeps the device ready whenever a quick hardware swap is needed. The magnetic chuck holds tiny precision bits firmly, preventing lost screws inside tight case compartments. Product number 2. SES Pro Smart Screwdriver. I consider this compact option a power tool, ideal for tight PC cases where larger drivers simply cannot fit. Its smart motion control senses wrist movement, adjusting rotation direction and speed intuitively. This feature streamlines installing fan screws and securing graphics card brackets without fumbling for physical switches. Built-in OLED screens display current torque settings and battery life, giving full visibility during detailed work. Auto torque stopping prevents over-torquing fragile plastic fan housings or delicate expansion slots. The internal lithium-ion battery provides steady performance across multiple complete computer builds on a single charge. Aluminum alloy construction gives the driver a durable feel without adding unnecessary weight. Product number 3. WowStick 1F Plus Electric Screwdriver. I turn to this sleek pen-style driver when handling ultra-precise tasks like disassembling graphics card coolers or replacing laptop keyboards. Dual working modes allow seamless switching between motorized driving and manual tightening when extra tactile feedback is necessary. 3 shadowless LED lights brightly illuminate the workspace, leaving 0 dark spots around tiny fastener heads. The lightweight pen design offers exceptional balance, mimicking a traditional hand tool while providing motor assistance. High rotational speeds up long machine screws found in radiator setups and custom cooling loops. Battery life holds strong through extensive build projects, while standard charging ports make power topped up easily. Included magnetic storage holds bits securely, keeping everything organized on the workbench. Product number 4. Aeromax SES Mini Screwdriver. I rely on this versatile driver set for comprehensive computer assembly, maintenance, and cable management bracket installation. High output torque handles stubborn power supply casing screws, while gentle low settings protect sensitive motherboard traces. Textured grip surfaces offer sure handling even during long build sessions or when working with greasy thermal paste on hands. Rapid charging capability ensures short downtime between custom PC projects. A vast assortment of high-grade steel bits covers every standard PC fastener type, eliminating searches for obscure drive types. The sturdy carrying case keeps every bit organized and accessible, reducing lost hardware during teardowns. I find the forward and reverse toggle buttons positioned naturally, making quick adjustments effortless while holding components in place. The motor runs quietly and maintains steady RPM under load, ensuring predictable screw insertion every single time. Product number 5.5. Chemo Cordless Precision Screwdriver. I choose this compact precision driver for quick hardware swaps, drive bay adjustments, and routine dust cleaning teardowns. Lightweight housing makes handling effortless, allowing precise tip placement on microscopic laptop screws and delicate M.2 mounting hardware. Bright LED lights positioned around the chuck illuminate dark corners under heavy CPU heatsinks and GPU backplates. The built-in rechargeable battery delivers long runtime, handling complete system builds without mid-project recharges. Precise gearboxes provide smooth acceleration, preventing sudden torque spikes that strip soft aluminum fasteners. The included bit assortment covers common crosshead, hex, and Torx drives needed for modern computer hardware. I appreciate the magnetic bit socket, which holds bits tight and magnetizes screw heads for easy vertical insertion. Simple button controls allow intuitive direction changes without shifting hand position mid-operation. Choosing the best electric screwdriver for PC building saves time and prevents component damage during your next system build. Pick the model that fits your workspace and precision needs. Subscribe for more hardware guides and build tips.